I don't know if I'm changing over in the moonlight.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you all how I did this makeup look. So this look is one that I did a really long time ago, but I never uploaded to my YouTube channel. I do have quite a few of videos that I did a while back and I never uploaded them to my YouTube channel, so I will be doing that for the next few uploads. I will have new ones in between, but for the most part I will be trying to have these out of the way. So the look that I'm doing today, when I was done with it, it really reminded me of the Instagram logo, so that's what I'm going to be titling this video. Yeah, so to begin, I concealed my brows using the Eligible Concealer in shade Espresso, and then I went in with a Plouise base in shade Rumour 2, and I used this to prime my eyelids. Going into the Plouise Academy's palette, I'm going to be taking the shade Addicted, which is this purple shade, and I'm going to be packing this into my crease and also blending it out.
I feel like that we're getting closer to a brand new night. The past is finally getting over. I really think it's time to say goodbye. I don't know what's yours to control me. I'm letting go, another soul is underneath. I don't really care about this all.
The next shade I went in with is called Powder from the Plouise Academy's palette, and I'm just going to be blending this above the Addicted shade. So now the last shade I went in with is called Climax from the Secret-Sinner's palette, and this is a yellow. I just blended that above the orange shade, and then I went back into the purple shade called Addicted and just build that up into the crease and just ensure that the purple shade blends well with the shades that are above. So off camera I went in with some of the Plouise base and mapped out my cut crease. Then I'm going to be removing that using some Vaseline on a Q-tip, and then I'm gonna be going back in with the base after that. So the base that I'm going to be using next is called the Plouise Blank Canvas base, and I love to use this base when I'm working with neon eyeshadows because I feel like they apply a lot better on this base versus the regular eyeshadow base. So here I'm just ensuring that I blend out the base so that, you know, it will be nice and smooth for when I'm ready to apply the pigments. So next I'm blending out the outer edges of my cut crease using some of the purple shade from the Secret-Sinner's palette. And now going on to the lid, this is the first pigment I'm going to be using, which is from a local brand called Blushandglo, and this is in the shade Brimstone Yellow. So now the next shade I'm going in with is a neon orange shade, and this one is called Rio. So I'm applying this into the center of my lids. Now the last pigment that I went in with is a neon fuchsia pink shade. This one is unbranded, so I can't give a name for this one, but that's just what I applied on the remaining parts of my lid. Here I'm just going to be repeating the same steps on my other eye. So I'm just cutting my crease using the Plouise blank canvas base, and then I'm going to be applying the same 3 pigments that I used onto my lid. Next, I'm going to be applying some liquid eyeliner. I just used the Sephora black liquid eyeliner to draw a line across my lid. I did not bring it out, just drew a straight line across my lid. And then for the next eyeliner, I used the Ruby Kisses white liquid eyeliner to just draw a white line above where my cut crease begins. And here I'm just moving on to applying my eyelashes.
Here we go.
For my foundation, I use the L'Oreal Freshwear Infallible foundation in the shade Sienna. So I'm just applying that using this concealer brush from Plouise, and then I'm going to be going in with a larger brush to blend that all over my face. Moving on to my concealer, I use the Elizabeth concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm going to be applying that to all the parts of my face that I like to highlight. So that's under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose and a bit in the center of my forehead. And then I would go in with a beauty sponge to blend all of that out.
Invincible.
Now that I have my highlights blended out, I went in with the Juvias Place shade stick in the shade Katsina, and I'm using this to contour my face.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Moving on to setting my face, I use the Sacha Cosmetics Buttercup Powder to set all of the areas that I applied the Illegal Pro Concealer. And now to set the rest of my face, I use the Sacha Cosmetics Pro Powder Foundation in shade Cocoa Beige. And next to bronze my face, I use the Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami bronzer. For my blush, I use this pink shade from the Juvias Place Queen Collection palette. And now moving back to my eyes, I line my waterline using Plouise Academy paint in the shade Nitro. Next, I applied some of the Plouise Blanc Canvas paint as a base for my eyeshadows that I'm going to be applying to my lower lash line. Next, I just went back into all of the shades that I applied on my top lid area, and I'm just going to be repeating the same thing on my lower lash line. So I applied the Brimstone Yellow, Rio, and the Fuchsia Pink shade, and I also applied some of the purple from the Stick-Katsina palette so that the colors on the bottom would blend well with the shades above too. I applied some mascara to my lower eyelashes, and now I'm going to be moving on to applying my highlighter. I can't remember what highlighter this was. I really can't remember what highlighter this was, but I am just applying some highlighter to my face. And now to complete this look, I'm first starting by lining my lips using the Juvia's Beauty lip liner in the shade Deep Brown, and then for lipstick for lip gloss, I apply the Juvias Place lip gloss in the shade Royalty. And after, I'm also going to be applying some clear lip gloss over that just to make it more glossy. And that will be the completed look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, please give me a thumb up, comment down below, share, subscribe. When you subscribe, please turn on post notifications, and also check my description box for any information that you guys may need. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.